Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha, and as you can see guys, I'm smiling super hard right now because I feel like I haven't said that line in so long, and it just makes me happy to actually just be making a video for you guys because I feel like I haven't did that in so long. And there are some reasons behind that, and I will get into that later into the video, but I want to get into today's video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a vision board. And I know y'all probably like, a vision board, what does that have to do with your channel? And I know that you guys are so used to me doing hair tutorials and anything that has to do with curly hair or curly hairstyles. And yes, that is still part of my channel, but what I wanted to do is a vision board, like I said, and a vision board is a part of my channel because I want to, in a sense, rebrand my channel. And not so much rebrand, but just to kind of give myself some insight because I do see that my channel is growing. And I honestly, when I did start in 2019, I did not see that growth, guys. I just wanted to start. I just wanted to influence other natural girls as myself. That's where I started. And I didn't really see where it would go, but now that I see that I do have an audience, I'm like, girl, you haven't posted in so long and you need to kind of get out there. These are the people and the reason why you started in the first place. You have an audience now, so you need to keep going. So because my channel is growing, I do want to revamp a little bit and not so much make so many changes because of course your girl is still MochaCurlss. You know, we have to still bring out these natural hair routines, but just in a sense to kind of bring more trending topics. And I want to work with a lot of bigger brands. I do so many hair product reviews on my channel. I'm like, I should be working with them. I have the audience, I have the views. So I wanted to just make this vision board in a sense, just so I can work on the goals that I've been wanting to do for so long. And sometimes you can say all day what you want to do, but if nothing is written down, and sometimes in our head, we just don't really go after it. So I just feel like with me, I'm a visual person. So if I see every day, and of course, I'm gonna post this on my wall where I work every day, and I want to see it, visualize it, and say, hey, you haven't been doing this. You haven't been working on this. There's certain things that I want to be doing and I haven't been doing, and I need to hold myself accountable. So I feel like me doing this vision board, I'm gonna hold myself accountable. So because I share so many things with you guys, and of course this is a part of my channel and I am growing with you guys. You have watched me from beginning until now, so I do want to share my inspirations with you guys as well and see what I'm going to be doing on my journey. So yes, so let's get started. If you want to also pause the video and go get yourself a vision board and we can do it together. Whatever goals or inspirations or affirmations that you want to do for yourself for 2023, you can do that as well. And you can go out and get the things that you did. I went to Hobby Lobby. I got a few little stickers. I went to Target. I got a poster board. So if you want to kind of do the same thing and we could be working here together, go ahead. But let's get started. And we are going to be all about goals. And it's not even just trying to make goals for 2023, because sometimes it may not happen for this year, but whatever goals you want to start on it, because it's not a race. Nothing is a race. As long as you're working towards it and you know that you're starting and hustling and getting to that point, then you know you're on the right path, and we're going to be on the right path together. So before I get started, I wanted to set the tone in a relaxation vibe. As you can see, I'm lighting my candles that says relax and serenity. Serenity is the state of being calm, peaceful, and untroubled. And that's how I want to be going forward in 2023 and any year after that. When you're at peace, you're focused on what you truly want to achieve and staying in a positive mindset. So while creating my vision board, it gave me a real sense of positivity and motivation, and seeing what I wanted to do visually and instead of thinking about what I want to do, it made a big difference for myself. I know our goals are supposed to be kept secretive until achieved, but I really wanted to share these goals that I have for my channel with you guys because you are my motivation. You're the reason why I started. So I just wanted to share where I want my channel to go within the future. You guys have been with me since day one and continuously to motivate me and help me grow, and I really appreciate you all. I'm just gonna make a disclaimer. You will hear background noises in the background because I do have a toddler. There's no such thing as quiet. So I didn't want this video to be as quiet and calm as possible, but with a toddler, that's definitely unrealistic sometimes. And you just gotta do what you gotta do, and that's okay. So my biggest goal for this year, guys, I did mention earlier in the video, I want to start collaborating with brands, big brands. I have on here Ulta, Sephora, product brands, of doing reviews. Like, that is my main goal, what I want to start doing this year. So I do have a cutout here of, it says collaborating with brands, and certain brands like TGIN, Ulta, Sephora, the brands that I want to start working with. So that's what I'm going to start putting on my vision board first, because that's my main goal. So, and honestly, I think I made this a little bit too big because I got a little bit too hyped. And I started like enlarging the size of the pictures that I got from Google. Yes, I am manifesting everything that I want to do. I keep saying that this is what I want to do. And I just feel like with me putting these pictures down on a board, I know it's kind of crazy, but I just feel like I'm going to achieve every single thing that I am putting down. So I have like all these thoughts in my head, and with me just posting this and, well, gluing it onto this board, I just feel like that's giving me the manifestation and motivation that I need to actually put my vision into reality. So this is the main reason for this vision board. So now that you know that one of my main goals that I want to do, I also want to work on gaining a bigger audience. So right now I have roughly around 4,500 subscribers. And so my main goal, and it doesn't have to be this year, but my main goal for this year and ongoing is to gain 10,000 subscribers. That is my main goal here. So the words of affirmations that I want to include on my vision board is: big for me, watch me manifest everything that I want. Set a goal so big that you can't achieve it until you grow into that person who can. And remember why you started. Those are the 3 that needs to go on this board. And lastly, Lord, please remove any laziness or procrastination in my body, because I got big girl goals. Remember why you started. So I did get these stickers from Hobby Lobby, and it just has a lot of positive words on here. It just says, plan to do it. Everything is going exactly as planned. Make it happen. And I just feel like when you're saying these positive affirmations every day to yourself, your body just naturally starts moving towards and doing those goals that you have envisioned in your mind. So if your mind can think it, your body will follow. So I just wanted to just put little get it done, make it happen, watch me manifest, set goals. So I just wanted to put these on, and so I can post it on my wall so I can see it every day and have those words in my mind, and I'm saying it every day. Because if you say little negative things like you can't do it, then you most likely will negatively feel that you can't do it. So I want to start, that's a part of my goal as well, start saying positive affirmations and words to myself every day, especially with the procrastination and laziness. Like, get that out of there, because I have been procrastinating to do this for a while now, and something this morning just woke me up and was like, I'm gonna do it. pause the video and think back and see if whatever visions or words that you want to say to yourself or what you want to get done for the year and going forward, and kind of put your board together. I don't know, even though it's a tedious, it just kind of like made me feel good seeing my goals of what I want to do for myself and envision what I want to do for myself. Like, it made me feel good. So I'm almost done. I'm just still putting little stickers on here and getting a little cute little razzle dazzle. So yeah. Okay guys, so I was a little bit extra and I finally got finished with my vision board. So I went to Staples and got it laminated. That's how extra I am, because this is about to happen. All of this on here is about to happen. And then I went to Michael's and got a little frame. So it's basically called a shadow box, and you can just put anything in here that you want to go in here. So I thought this was really neat, especially how it has like that deep pocket part in there. So I thought this was so cute. I was gonna get a regular picture frame, but I like how it had like a deep little thing in there. So about to open that. Look at that, you all. This is so cute. So cute. Make sure y'all leave a comment or post what you guys did for your vision board and how you had yours set up and what goals do you have for yourself in the comments below. So let's get started. I hope this fits because this looks kind of big, and I also have to kind of cut the ends a little bit to make this work. I don't know why they didn't cut it, but whatever. You know, black people. Guys. Okay, so it's from okay, so I have to make sure this can fit. So, ooh, a perfect fit. Okay, so now I have to get to cutting, and usually they cut it there. I don't know, like I said, being lazy. Okay, I am so excited for my board. Okay, y'all, so I am so proud of myself for actually doing this vision board. I have been holding off on doing this for a while. So while I'm just getting this done, just gonna wear me a little bit of something. There's always room to celebrate. You know, just to help to get the job done. Yes. Okay, y'all, so how complicated it was to put this picture frame together. Cheers. All right. Moment of truth. This is so freaking cute. And y'all know I'm extra, so with the lamination and this frame, it's getting, like, it's, one more. Cheers. This makes me excited to get one of those little plaques that comes with, like, when you get the 10,000 subscribers and they give you like that little plaque, that little silver plaque, I think it is. So, and no, that's not my goal to get to 10,000. That's just my main goal. To when you do get to 10,000, that means your audience is growing. That means you're consistent. That means that you have influence. You're influencing other people. So yes, my main goal is really a million, but I'm just trying to push myself to stay motivated, of course. I mean, there are other goals outside of my YouTube channel that I do want to work on personally, but this is the main goals of what I want to do. Like I said, working with brands, building my channel, staying consistent, and just saying these positive affirmations every day to get to the goals that I want to do. So if you are in that limbo and you're like, I want to work on these goals, but really don't have the motivation to do so, I say do a vision board, because I am going to hang this up and look at this every day while I'm working, and just to hold myself accountable what I want to do. So your mind achieves what your body's going to do. So we're pushing that. We're pushing that. Again, so I got the poster board from Target and this from Michael's, because I'm what? Extra. So you don't have to be like me, but if you want to do a digital vision board, you can do that as well. But I just wanted to do this for myself, because I just feel like with me doing it and hands-on doing it myself, I mean, you can do it hands-on, doing it digital as well, but with me doing it with the glue stick and everything, I don't know, it's just putting everything in perspective for me. So yes, how you like me? And again, I know this video is out my norm and things that I usually don't do, but I just wanted to kind of step back and kind of see what I haven't been doing and what I want to start doing for my channel going forward in 2023. And so also too, I did say I was gonna say why I have been missing in action. It's nothing too much. I just started working 2 jobs, so that kind of been keeping me busy. And by the time I get off work and when the weekend comes, videos and doing everything, that's just out of my head, because it does take, that's basically a full-time job to do a video and edit. I do everything myself, and I come up with videos myself, so that also is time consuming. And then also too, my older laptop died. When I first started, it was a refurbished laptop, so I really just wanted to start fresh. So I did buy a new laptop, and yeah, I did buy a laptop probably like, I think in January I bought a new laptop, so it was a long time ago, but I had to kind of find my motivation and to make sure I get back motivated. I just didn't want to keep dropping videos here and there, and I wasn't staying consistent. I wanted to find that motivation first to get back into the groove, because it has been a long time. So this was what I wanted to do, and kind of come to you guys and let you know that I am back, and I'm definitely be coming with more videos for you guys. But I do thank you guys for watching and staying on this journey with me, and thank you for all the subscribers that I do have for now. Love you guys.